Hello GRT fam, welcome back to episode 18 of the Graph News brought to you by the Graphnauts. This week we are going to take a look at some of the exciting news in the protocol, the latest network statistics, interesting tweets that caught our attention on Twitter, and also find out who the latest guest was on the GRTiq podcast. This week, we have some exciting content to break down for you. The official team at The Graph were kind enough to release an in-depth blog post updating us all on the subgraph migrations. Excitingly, the post revealed that the pace of the Ethereum subgraph migration to the decentralized network is picking up fast, up 30% quarter over quarter, as more dApp developers champion decentralized Web3 infrastructure. Impressively, since the enabling of the permissions migrations, the network has seen a whopping 282 subgraph transitions from the hosted service to the decentralized one. We know the team are constantly working on the migration process, so it is great to see that the actions of the team are leading to results. The blog goes on to say exactly why it is a good idea to migrate now. One of the reasons highlighted is the fact that there is currently a GRT migration grant program that helps bootstrap curation and mitigate initial query costs. This grant program also helps with so much more, such as marketing assistance, and it will not be around for long. So what are you waiting for? Apply to migrate your subgraphs now and get the best support. The process of migrating is easy as ABC123. Be sure to check out the blog post in the link in the description box to learn just how simple. The blog goes into more detail covering how migration can positively impact several factors such as gas costs, query fees, and curation. It's a no-brainer to check out this most recent blog post from the Graph team. Remember, we will be including it in the description box below. That's all from Protocol News this week, but let's take a look at some of the latest network statistics from the last 7 days. With the latest data looked at, let's have a good look to see what caught our eye on Twitter this week. We begin with this tweet from Ahmed Alfawaz, an ex-full stack software engineer and current blockchain engineer. He shares his eye-opening experience with deploying a subgraph onto the Graph network. By actually getting hands-on, he recognizes what possibilities the protocol enables and shares his appreciation for the tools at his disposal. With such a dedicated team, it's no surprise positive experiences like this keep popping up. Just check out this next tweet. Here we see Dan Hepworth's take, a blockchain engineer at GRTiq, a custom blockchain development firm experienced in building NFT marketplaces, DeFi protocols, and much more. He speaks of the ease for developers on Graph Protocol. Within 1 hour, he was able to create a working subgraph on the testnet, thanks to the helpful documentation and great command line interface. Features like this is what make the Graph approachable for any developer. The less time that is needed to create and deploy subgraphs, the freer developers are to work on their actual products. We certainly hope to see more projects on board as the protocol matures and improves. That's all from what we have seen on Twitter this week. If you missed the GRTiq guest of the week, scan the QR code on the screen to catch up on this week's episode and all previous episodes, which are available on multiple platforms. That's all from episode 18. If you are enjoying the content, please subscribe to the channel so you can catch up on what you may have missed over the course of the week. Have a great week, GRT fam, and see you all next week for episode 19. Bye!